Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Agriculture and GK. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe my channel for more updates on food technology related exams, topics, question papers and many more. I'm back with another video of upcoming ICAR GRF question papers. I will cover 138 questions which had come in the previous examination of ICAR GRF so that it would be easy for you to know about the topics that comes in the exam. Let's begin with the question paper. The first question, that is, glycosides are stable too. Options are acid, enzyme, alkali, all. So what are glycoside? What do we mean by glycosides? So glycosides are nothing but sugars. These are defined as naturally occurring complex organic compounds which contain sugar linked together with a non-sugar part. So the bond between sugar and non-sugar part is known as glycosidic bond, which is broken when acid or enzyme acts on it and hydrolysis takes place. Therefore, glycosides are stable to alkali, that is option number 3. The second question, milk is deficient in. So milk is deficient in option number 1, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D or vitamin C. Milk is rich in fat soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, K vitamins, and also milk is very good source of thiamine, riboflavin and vitamin B12. Therefore, vitamin C is the correct answer. Since milk is deficient in vitamin C, which of the following is high frequency low amplitude wave? Options are AC power, radio waves, cosmic rays, microwaves. So, cosmic rays contain high frequency low amplitude wave. Fourth question, the principal sugar or carbohydrate in milk is. We all know principal sugar or carbohydrate in milk is lactose, known as milk sugar. Therefore, the option goes with option number 3, that is lactose. Fifth question, amphipathic compounds. So what are amphipathic compounds? So these are some chemical compounds that possess both hydrophilic, that is water loving, and lipophilic, that is fat loving properties, known as amphiphilic and amphopathic compounds. Therefore, amphipathic compounds contain polar part and non-polar part both. So the option goes with option number 3, that is the correct answer. Sixth question, grapes contain total sugar percentage about. So grapes contain about 7.3% of total sugar. That is option number 2 is the correct answer. Seventh question, carbohydrates that can be digested and absorbed in human small intestine is referred to as. So carbohydrates that can be digested and absorbed in human small intestine are known as glycemic carbohydrates. Since carbohydrates that are broken easily in human digestive system has higher glycemic index, such as baked potato chips, which releases glucose into the bloodstream very quickly. Therefore, it is known as glycemic carbohydrate. There are some carbohydrates that has a lower glycemic index, known as, for example, oats. They release glucose in the bloodstream very gradually, that is slowly. Those are known as non-glycemic carbohydrates. Eighth question, which among the following is a minor component of milk? So milk contains major amount of water, fat and lactose. Water about 87% approximately, fat about 3.4% approx, and lactose of 4.9% approximately. Milk's minor components are phospholipids. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Which of the following is secondary metabolite? So this term secondary metabolites comes from the microorganism part. So we have to know what is primary metabolite and what is secondary metabolites and what is the function of secondary metabolites. So I'll here explain you what is a primary metabolites. The products that are essential for physiological functions and support of overall development of cell is known as primary metabolites. These primary metabolites are released or made for the cell development during the culture formation. And secondary metabolites are the end products of primary metabolism synthesized after the growth phase has been completed, and these are ecologically very important. So when the microorganism grows, it produces primary metabolites as well as secondary metabolites, and these metabolites are organic compounds that is produced by the modification of primary metabolites. So secondary metabolites do not play any role in the growth and development or reproduction in the cell, whereas primary metabolites do involve in the functioning or supporting of overall development of cell. So primary metabolites are developed during the growth phase, also known as phase, whereas secondary metabolites, these are grown at the end of stationary phase known as iodophase. So both is the correct answer. For production of structurally similar compounds, so from a particular one during fermentation are. So biotransformation is the correct term that is used for production of structurally similar compound from a particular one during fermentation. So second option is the best answer. A metal can, paperboard carton and glass bottle are examples of dash packaging. So metal can which is directly in contact with the food, or a glass bottle or a paperboard carton like in pizzas is an example of primary packaging. Which of the following is low frequency high amplitude wave? Infrared, radio waves, microwaves, all. So all of these are having low frequency high amplitude wave. A corrugated case and boxes are examples of dash packaging: primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. So a corrugated case or boxes is an example of secondary packaging. The pH of 1 molar NaOH is 14, that is option number 4. 4 is the best answer. The surface of the muscle is called as sarcolemma. The surface of the muscle is known as sarcolemma. That is option number 1 is the best answer. The 16th question, Pasteur showed that souring of milk was caused by microorganism in which year? So 1857 was the year when Louis Pasteur showed that souring of milk was caused due to some microbial growth in it. 17th question, carotenoids are dash soluble. So carotenoids are fat soluble, not water soluble. Carotenoids and chlorophyll are categorized under fat soluble pigments, whereas anthocyanins are categorized under water soluble pigments. Which of the following is an acidulant? So we have to understand what is an acidulant. Acidulant is nothing but a food additive. So these are chemical compounds that provide a tart or sour or any acidic flavor to foods. They differ from other food additives since those food additives modify the stability of food or enzymes within it. So they differ from those different food additives. These contain acid, that can be acetic acid, citric acid, or phosphoric acid in like we see in sodas. So it can be glucono-delta lactone, lactic acid, malic acid. So option number 4, all is the correct answer. Which of the following is a function of probiotic? So we have to understand what is probiotic. probiotic are live bacteria or yeast that is very good for our body. They keep our body and gut both healthy. Some of the most important functions of probiotics are to boost immune system, to help in digestive disorders like diarrhea, to give relief in mental disorders, to help in weight loss, etc. So here the options given are improve intestinal microflora, reduce osteoporosis, both or none. So probiotic has functions of improving in intestinal microflora, that is intestinal microbial growth of beneficial microorganisms, and also reducing of osteoporosis. So the option goes with both, that is option number 3. In Dash, the first commercial use of controlled atmospheric storage of apples was made in Europe. In which year? Like it was 1928, the first commercial use of CAP, that is a controlled atmosphere storage of apple, was made in Europe. Cereal grains belong to monocot family, graminae, both or none. So cereal belongs to monocots and graminae both. So option 3 is the best answer. Which of the following is a type of food additive? Sequestrants, flavor enhancer, sweetener, or all? Sequestrants, flavor enhancer, sweetener are classified under food additives. Sequestrants are those food additives which help in improving quality and stability of foods. They form chelate complexes of copper, iron, and nickel to prevent it from the oxidation of fat. So sequestrants are also known as chelating agents. We know flavor enhancer improves the flavor of the food, and sweeteners are used for improving the sweetness of food. Therefore, all are food additives. Next question, maple syrup contain total sugar percentage about 65%. Maple syrup contain total sugar of 65%. Which of the following is a prebiotic? So what is probiotic and what is prebiotic? So prebiotics are those compounds in food that induces the growth or activity of beneficial microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. So prebiotic are a type of foods which help in to grow the living beneficial microorganisms like lactobacillus or bifidobacteria. So prebiotic are food, not a living organism. Here lab and bifidobacteria are living organisms, hence they cannot be the correct option, though, so none. Medium dose irradiation can reduce numbers of, so medium dose irradiation can reduce the numbers of spoilage microorganisms or non-spore forming pathogens, or it can extend shelf life of fish, seafoods, refrigerated frozen foods. It can also increase the juice yield. It reduces cooking time of dried vegetables. So these are some of the important points of medium dose irradiation, which is 1 kilogray to 10 kilogray. So the option both is the correct one. Medium dose irradiation reduces the number of spoilage microorganisms as well as non-spore forming pathogens. The amino acid part of conjugated protein is, so the amino acid part of conjugated protein is a prosthetic group. So normal protein contains simple amino acid known as simple proteins, whereas conjugated proteins are those proteins which are attached to a functional group. In these conjugated protein, the non amino acid part is known as prosthetic group. So the option number 2 is correct answer. The largest single source of energy in diet is carbohydrate, proteins, fats, or minerals. We all know that largest single source for energy is carbohydrate. It gives us instant energy as well as huge amount of energy. The muscles of warm-blooded animals like cattle, sheep, and pigs is called meat, beef, ham, or none. So the muscle of warm-blooded animals like cattle, sheep, and pigs are known as meat. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Paddy is the name given to polished rice, rice with husk, millet, or sorghum. So, paddy is the name which is given to rice with husk, not of polished rice. Therefore, option number 2 is the correct answer. The semi-fluid material within the muscle cell is called as sarcolemma, sarcoplasm, myofibrils, or none. So, the semi-fluid material within the muscle cell is known as sarcoplasm. Which of the following is the weakest bond? So, hydrogen bond, ionic bond, hydrophobic bond, or van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces are known to be the weakest bond among the following. Which of the following is a probiotic? I have told you earlier what is a probiotic. Probiotic is nothing but a living organism which helps us to maintain the gut health. So here the options are lactic acid bacteria, bifidobacteria, both or none. So, a lactic acid bacteria is a live microorganism, so this would be the answer. Bifidobacteria is also a live microorganism, so this can also be the option. So, option number 3, both are probiotic. Oligosaccharides have dash units of sugar. So, oligosaccharides contain 3 to 11 units of sugar and are classified under that, whereas 2 saccharides are known as disaccharides, whereas 15 can be known to be a polysaccharide. 1 is known as monosaccharide. Cereals are used for source of energy, animal feed, or industrial purposes all. So cereals are used for all of these options. Option number 4 is correct. Citric acid is commercially produced from. So citric acid is commercially produced from Aspergillus niger and some species of Candida from different sources of molasses and starch based mediums. Which of the following acid combine with calcium to give calcium oxalate? Malic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, or oxalic acid? Oxalic acid is used with calcium to give calcium oxalate. Which of the following is a type of food additive? Antioxidant, stabilizer, or thickeners? I have told you food additives are used to preserve the flavor or enhance its taste or any other qualities. So antioxidants here are used for prevention of degradation from any oxidation. Stabilizers and thickeners are used to stabilize the emulsion or giving a firm texture to food. Therefore, all of these are used as food additive. So, answer goes with all. SCP stands for single cell protein, single chain protein, both or none. So SCP stands for single cell protein. So single cell protein is a refined edible protein extracted from pure microbial culture of any dyed cell biomass or any microorganisms used as a protein supplement. Since microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, fungi contain high amount of protein in it. So the option number 1 is correct answer. Apple contain total sugar percentage about 14.5. Apple contain 14.5% of total sugars in it. PSD stands for particle size distribution, powder size distribution, both or none. The PSD stands for particle size distribution. It is the relative mass of particle according to its size. Which of the following is called as naked grain? The naked grain के examples हैं wheat, oats, maize or all. So all of those are naked grains. So answer 4 is correct. 40. The package containing number of primary packages is called dash package. So the package which contain primary package is always known as secondary package. Anthocyanins are found in. So anthocyanins, I have told you, these are the pigments which are water soluble. These are found in red to blue to purple fruits that can be grapes, berries or black currants. So here the option given is option number 3, blueberries, which are which contains anthocyanin pigment, whereas capsicum, which comes in various colors, though it contain carotenoids, whereas carrot, which contain lycopene, like tomato and other watermelon, whereas banana, which is initially green in color, which contain chlorophyll, and it turns into yellow during ripening. Pear contains sorbitol of mg per 100 gram of dry weight. So pear contains 3600 mg per 100 gram of its dry weight of sorbitol. Isoelectric point is that point at which net charge is 0, 10, 100 or 1000. So isoelectric point is that point where the net electric charge is 0. The pH of 1 molar of HCl is always 0. Please remember this. It comes in many previous year question papers that pH of 1 molar of HCl is 0. Which of the following is an acidulant? I have explained it also earlier that acidulant is a compound. It is a chemical compound which helps in providing a tart or sour or acidic flavor to food. It can be a phosphoric acid, acetic acid, citric acid, any kind of acid. So here the option given are citric acid, the hydroacetic acid, fumaric acid, all of those are examples of acidulants. The building blocks of carbohydrates are monosaccharides, disaccharide, polysaccharide or oligosaccharides. So the building blocks of carbohydrates are monosaccharides. Therefore, the building blocks of carbohydrates are monosaccharides. pH of blood plasma of people with reverse diabetes is greater than 7.4, that is option number 2 is the correct answer. The dielectric constant for water at 25 degrees centigrade is 78.5, that is option number 1 is the correct answer. Which of the following is a prebiotic? So prebiotics, I have told you, these are the food substances that help in maintaining the gut, that help in increasing the microbial thing in our gut. That is beneficial microorganisms which are important to maintain the digestive system. That can be oligosaccharide, resistant starch, pectin or all. So all is the correct option because prebiotics can be oligosaccharides or resistant starch or pectin. Which of the following is a type of food additive? So preservative, acidulants, antimicrobials, all of these are categorized into food additives. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Which is a sulfur containing amino acid? Methionine, valine, tyrosine or lysine? Methionine is a sulfur containing amino acid. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Which among the following has a highest milk protein content? Cow, buffalo, human or goat? So buffalo contains highest milk protein content when compared to cow, human or goat. Which of the following can act as functional food ingredient? Probiotics, prebiotic, vitamins or all? So functional foods have a major amount of health benefits in them. It can be a food fortified with various vitamins or minerals, or it can be a prebiotic, probiotic, or it can also be fibers. So all is the best option. Carrot contain total sugar percentage of about 10. So option number 1, 10 is the correct answer. The number of enzyme units per mg of total protein is defined as enzymic activity. That is option number 2 is correct answer. The most abundant substance in living being is water. We all know this. The most abundant substance in living being is water. Package used to facilitate the handling of tertiary package is called primary, secondary, tertiary or quaternary. So the package which facilitate tertiary package is known as quaternary packaging. Two amino acids are joined by dash linkage or bond. Two amino acids are always joined by a peptide bond, not ester or glycosidic bond. Which of the following belongs to functional food? Carbohydrate, protein, prebiotic, or none? So, functional food contain prebiotic with added health benefits, not like carbohydrate or protein. So, the prominent organic acid present in grapes is tartaric acid is the correct answer, which is the major organic acid present in grapes, whereas malic acid is present in apples and citric acid is present in various fruits such as lemon or amla. Acetic acid can be used as acidulant, preservative, both or none. Acetic acid can be used as an acidulant and also used as a preservative. So both will be the correct answer. PCA stands for protein composition analysis, principal component analysis, purification or none. So PCA stands for principal component analysis. That is option number 2 is the correct answer. The highest producer of milk in world is China, India, Pakistan or USA. So the highest producer of milk in world is India. That is option number 2 is the correct answer. The insulating effect of package is determined by. So the insulating effect of package is determined by thermal conductivity, not by reflectivity. CIE system of color measurement first came in the year 1971. That is option number 4 is correct. Which are glycemic carbohydrates? So I have explained what is glycemic and non-glycemic carbohydrates. So the example of glycemic carbohydrates are raffinose. Fresh foods that are respiring require dash degree of permeability in the material to allow exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. We know fresh foods respire very quickly, therefore it need high degree of permeability in the material to allow exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Dash is used to determine the isoelectric point of a protein. So isoelectric focusing is used to determine isoelectric point of a protein. Dash are the most prone to thermal shock: glass, plastics, papers, or metals. Metals are the most prone to thermal shock. The technique for the separation of proteins bases on the migration of charged proteins in an electric field is called electrophoresis. इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस का डेफिनेशन ही यही है कि द टेक्निक फॉर द सेपरेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन्स बेस्ड on the migration of charged protein in the presence of electric field is called as electrophoresis. Introduction of genes from any organism into microorganism is known as genetics, recombinant DNA technology, electrophoresis or none. So introduction of genes from an organism into the microorganism is known as recombinant DNA technology. TFA stands for target factor analysis, not tertiary factor analysis. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Raspberries contains 268 mg of xylitol per 100 gram of its dry weight. Which of the following is an acidulant? I have told you what is an acidulant. So acetic acid, adipic acid, caprylic acid or all. So all will be the correct answer. All of these are used as an acidulant. The simplest amino acid is glycine, alanine, valine or serine. So the simplest amino acid is glycine. The cereal grains are obtained from stem, flowers, leaves or shoot. We all know that the cereal grains are obtained from flowers. That is option number 2. Anthocyanins are dash soluble. So anthocyanin are water soluble pigments. Which of the following is not a food additive? So sugar, flour, salt, none. Sugar is an additive. Flour is not an additive. Salt is also an additive. Therefore, option number 2, flour, will be the correct answer, which is not an additive. Which of the following is a type of food additive? Coloring agent, flavoring agent, anti-caking agent, or all? So, coloring agent is a food additive. Flavoring agent are also classified under food additives. Anti-caking agent is also a food additive. Therefore, all will be the correct answer. Leeuwenhoek was first to observe yeast cells in 1680. commonly used for test for starch detection includes iodine. So iodine test is used for starch detection. Which of the following belongs to color measurement? CIE system, Hunter system, Munsell system, all. So all of these are used for color measurement. So for all will be the correct answer. Melting point of water is 0 degree centigrade. We all know this answer. I hope you all also know. So option number 1, 0 is the correct answer. Fruits are generally deficient in proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins or water. So fruit contains high amount of water and it also contains higher amount of vitamins and minerals. So carbohydrates are also present in a lesser amount, but fruits are generally deficient in proteins. Radioisotopes are known as radionucleotides, radioactive isotopes, both or none. So, radioisotopes are also known as radioactive isotopes. The grain generally comprises of seed coat, germ, endosperm, all. So, the grain generally comprises of all of these three layers that can be seed coat, germ, endosperm. In functional fruits, probiotics are. So I have explained you what is a probiotic and what is the difference between probiotics and prebiotics. Generally probiotics are living microorganisms. So here second option, that is microorganism, is the answer. In dash, sodium benzoate was given official sanction by US as preservative in certain foods. So in 1908, sodium benzoate was given an official sanction by US as a preservative and in few foods. The minimum percentage of milk fat in standardized milk is 4.5%. Bioreactor is mainly used for mass culture of microorganisms, plants and animal cells, both or none. So bioreactors are generally used for the mass culture of microorganisms as well as plant or animal cells. So 3 both will be the correct answer. Avocado contains approximately dash percentage of fat. So avocado contains approximately 25% of fat. Casein is precipitated at dash pH. So casein is precipitated at 4.6 pH in milk. The package containing number of secondary packages is called dash package. So the package which contains secondary package is always known as tertiary package. Banana contains xylitol mg per 100 gram of its dry weight. So banana contains 21 mg of xylitol in 100 gram of its dry weight. High dose irradiation is generally done for. So high dose irradiation is generally done to achieve sterility, that is sterilization. So option number 1 is the correct answer. Low dose irradiation up to 1 kilo gray can be done for. Low dose irradiation up to 1 kilo gray can be done for sprout inhibition, delay of ripening, insect disinfestation. So low dose irradiation for food can be done to achieve all this. Therefore, 4 all is the correct option. In microbial growth curve, increase in rate of growth is checked in dash phase. In microbial growth curve, increase in rate of growth is checked in deceleration phase, that is slowing down of growth of microorganisms. That is decrease in the growth of microorganisms. Therefore, option number 2 is the correct answer. Cereals are regarded as dash source of energy. So cereals are regarded as the richest source of energy. The formula for sucrose is C12H22O11. Option number 1 is the correct answer. The principal milk protein is casein, lactoglobulin, lactalbumin, gliadin. The principal milk protein is the casein protein. It comprises about 80% of protein in whole milk. Which of the following is a function of probiotic? improve intestinal microflora, reducing diarrhea, both or none. So, probiotics improves intestinal microflora or it also reduces diarrhea and other digestive disorders. Which of the following is not a protein? Elastin, hordein, gluten or none? Elastin is also present in the muscular tissue. Hordein is the protein which is found in barley. Gluten is the protein which is found in wheat. So none of all these options are not a protein. All of them are protein. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Meat is the source of nutrients required by humans. So meat is a very rich source of nutrients which are required by humans. Fermenter is mainly used for mass culture of. So fermenters are used for mass culture growth of microorganisms. Disaccharides have two, as the name itself tends di means two units of sugar. Potato contains total sugar of 17% in it. Human blood pH is normally 7.35 to 7.45. The becquerel is the unit of radioactivity and equals dash integration disintegration per second. So the becquerel is the unit of radioactivity and it is equal to 5 disintegrations per second. Which of the following is not an aromatic amino acid? Phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan or serine? So serine is not an aromatic amino acid. The percentage of water in fruits is 80 to 90. Maximum percentage of water is present in fruits, that is 80% to 90% approx. Which of the following is a type of food additive? Chelating agents, flour maturing agents, enzymes or all? So chelating agents, I've told you, sequestrants, flour maturing agents, these are also food additives. Enzymes, these are also used as in food additives. So all fourth option is the correct answer. Which is true about high pressure processing? Desirable texture changes are possible. In-package processing is possible. Positive consumer appear. So all of these are correct. About HPP, that is high pressure processing technique. So fourth option is the correct answer. The principal food reserve polysaccharide of plant is. So the principal food reserve polysaccharide of plant is starch. That is option number 1. Celeb lab system of color measurement first came in. C-Lab system of color measurement first came in 1971. Which are non-glycemic carbohydrates? So non-glycemic carbohydrates are raffinose. I have told you what is glycemic and what is non-glycemic carbohydrates earlier. Who invented canning of food? Louis Pasteur, Nicholas Appert, T. Kensett, E. Daggett. So Nicholas Apertus was the first person who invented the canning of food. In functional foods, prebiotics are carbohydrate, microorganisms, protein or none. So I've told you what is prebiotics and what are probiotics. So in functional foods, probiotics are live organism, microorganism. So here I have it is mistaken. The answer key is wrong. So none will be the correct answer. The chief cereal of human diet is. So the chief cereal of human diet can be a rice, wheat or maize according to the location and varieties, etc. So the chief cereal can be rice, wheat or maize. That option number 4, all are the chief cereals of human diet. Yellow fruits contain. So yellow fruits contain carotenoids. That is option number 2 is the correct answer. Which of the following is called covered caryopsis? Rice, oats, barley, all. So all of them are known as covered caryopsis. Jowar is common name for oats, maize, sorghum, millet. So jowar is common name for sorghum. In Hindi it is known as jowar. Which of the following is a type of calorimeter? Hunter, Gardner, both, or none? So in calorimetry, Hunter values are given, Gardner values are also given. So both is the correct answer. The HOH bond angle is, so the H2O, that is HOH bond angle is 104.5 degree. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Sweet potato contains 25% of total sugars. That is option number 1 is correct answer. Which of the following is high frequency low amplitude wave? So cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, so all of these options are high frequency low amplitude wave. Which of the following is used as a protein source in industrial fermentation? Soybean meal, soybean, corn steep liquor, both, or none? So corn steep liquor is used as a protein source in industrial fermentation. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Irradiation of poultry was approved in US in which year? So irradiation of poultry was approved in 1990 by US. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Which of the following is a function of probiotic? Reducing constipation, reducing cholesterol, both, or none? So probiotic also reduces constipation and it also reduces cholesterol. So 3 option will be the best, that is both. Amla is very good source of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Amla is very good source of vitamin C. It is also known as to be the famous citrus fruit. It also acts as a good source of antioxidant since it contains high amount of vitamin C. HPP processing technique of food involve. The full form of HPP is high pressure processing. So it involves high pressure of 300 to 600 megapascals in the processing technique. The package which is in direct contact with the contained product is called dash package. I have told you earlier, the package which is in direct contact with the product, that is food, can be primary package. Paperboard and polystyrene have low thermal conductivity, high thermal conductivity, no, none. So paperboard and polystyrene have lower thermal conductivity. They do not have high thermal conductivity. Hence they are safe to use. Carbohydrates have empirical formula of CaXH2OY. The example can be C6H12O6, that is glucose. Sulfate content of cow milk is about 10 mg per 100 ml. SDS stands for sodium dodecyl sulfate. So SDS stands for sodium dodecyl sulfate, that is option number 1 is the correct answer. Secondary metabolites are produced in, so I have told you secondary metabolites are produced in idiophase, that is the end of stationary phase. So option number 2 is the correct answer. In dash, E. Metcalfe and co-workers isolated and named one of the yogurt bacteria Lactobacillus delbrueckii subspecies of Bulgaricus. So in 1895, both of them isolated the name of yogurt bacteria, that Lactobacillus delbrueckii, that is subspecies of Lactobacillus bulgaricus. So here comes the, I have completed all the 138 questions of ICR JRF previous year question papers of MSc Food Technology. So I have covered almost all the important questions from the topics of food additives, pigments in food, food chemistry, food microbiology, food irradiation, functional foods or milk and its products. If you watch my video by solving these question papers, there is a lot of chance that these questions might come in your exam. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Agriculture and GK and stay tuned with me. Thank you.